We are so delighted to have welcomed members and visitors back to the garden this week, and seeing the plant collections being appreciated again brings real joy to me and my team. We know the garden has changed so much over April and May, and we understand that not everyone is able to visit us. So we wanted to share a few of the highlights from the garden from May. And as ever, wisterias and rhododendrons have provided a vibrant splash of colour to most areas of the garden, but especially to Battleston Hill. Rhododendron Makita's prize makes no apology with its huge, large red crimson flowers. Whereas further into the woodland, some of the more unusual flowering trees have taken centre stage, such as the Davidia or the handkerchief tree, and you can really see where that name comes from. Those bracts are like nothing else you see in a flowering tree. The Quercus rubra aurea, or the golden American oak on 7 acres, is a superb sight this time of year. Its fresh golden leaves stand out like a sun-shining beacon on the garden landscape. The wisteria walk is now starting to show some of the future promise of what it will become, and smaller standard wisterias, a variety called Domino, stand beautifully outside the laboratory, showing that wisteria can be trained as a freestanding, almost small tree, and a larger size standard closer to the laboratory building. The alpine meadow continues to delight in its natural beauty, and the older, large Japanese maples, and not far off a century old, are some of the earliest plantings which were put in to mimic the shapes of the rock garden. Camasias cover the rose garden lawns in blue, and the beautiful sweeping path design of the rose garden is really appreciated from above, along with the neighbouring gardens. Finally, we'd like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all members for sticking by us through these challenging times, and look forward to seeing you back at Wisley or one of our other beautiful gardens sometime soon.